We'll guide you through how to highlight a PDF. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're working with a PDF and you're reading it and going through it, and you're finding some important data or just facts that you want to go and highlight so you could easily go and get back to it to go and reference it again in the future. We're going to guide you through step by step on how you can go and highlight it. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip anything as we're guiding you through how this can be done. And you can go and do this for free as well, don't worry. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So to go and do this, I've actually got a really good app you can go and use, I found. This app is called Adobe Acrobat Reader. You may already go and have it. Now there is a paid version of it, but we're using the free one in this video, so don't worry. If you haven't already got it, open a web browser of your choice. I'm just using Chrome, but you could use Edge, Firefox, it doesn't matter. And you can go and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can do is you can find the site, as you can see, free PDF viewer, and you can go and click here. And what you can then do is go and press download Acrobat Reader. We can just go and make sure we go and download it. It was blocked there, but that'll be fine. After you've downloaded it, you can open your file explorer and come to your downloads and go and install the reader by double clicking on it and going through the setup. After you've got it, you then come to your PDF and right click on it, hover over open with, and you can go and press choose another app, and we'll just go and set it to Adobe Acrobat and press always. Now it's going to go and open up. Now when it comes to highlighting, come to the left here and you want to go and find the third option, which is the highlight selected text tool. And you can go and select highlight. And then what you can do is you can then click, hold and drag the text you want to go and highlight. Like so, release, and you can then go and click on it and choose the color. So at the moment I've set it to white, but I can go set it to orange. I can then repeat that. You can then go and click, hold and drag other text and go and highlight it.